Hey guys, this is Saurabh Vishwakarma, and today I'm gonna to say you something in your what which we do in our whole entire life that I want to consult with you something. First, before doing anything, we should analyze that thing. First, analyze all the thing and then do. And if we are getting failure, then do it again, and again we are getting failure, then do it again and again till then we get success. Why I am saying you to do this again and again? Because if we take this only one thing and do again and again, then it will we can achieve this. We can really achieve this easily because we will do same thing again and again, and same practice we will do more time. So how can you say we can't achieve this? How can you say this? And if we have potential to do something, and if we really want to do something, so we will have to give some more effort to achieve that thing. And one more thing that I want to concern with you: everybody wants to learn English. Yes, but everybody wants to learn English, everybody want to speak English fluently, and everybody wants to communicate their language with other people, but they can't. Why? Because they don't practice. Everything wants practice. If we do practice, we can achieve what we need and what we want. If we are not doing practice, we can't achieve anything. So first and most important thing, that if we really want to do something in our life, if we really want to get something too big, get something more and big, then we will have to give some more effort. We will have to give more effort to achieve everything, because 9 to 5 job can give a small thing. That 9 to 5 job only give us a happiness, but it cannot give us everything. If we want to achieve everything, so we will have to do more and more. We will have to give more effort to achieve that thing. So whenever you want to get something, whenever you want to do something, then you will have to take the first step. And this first step will lead you ahead. This first step will lead you to go ahead and ahead. But you will have to take this risky step. The more important is your cheese is to you, the more you want to hold on it. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you soon.